Hey, what's going on, investors? Every time I leave the house and I'm going outside, I cannot help but ride by a Chase Bank. And Chase is the number one bank in the United States. And not only is it the number one bank in the United States, their credit cards are extremely popular in the points and miles world. I know I have 4 Chase credit cards. And as I put all this together, one thing I started to do was look at Chase's stock listed under JP Morgan Chase, ticker symbol JPM. J is in Joe, P is in Paul, M is in Mike. And I could tell you, I was extremely impressed with the performance of JP Morgan Chase or JPM. And from going forward, I will refer to it as JPM or Chase stock. And as I continue my research, I also noticed that Chase is listed in the top 10 holdings of a lot of exchange traded funds that are out there. A lot of the popular exchange traded funds, such as the Vanguard Growth ETF or VOO, which is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. And what I want to do in this video is take a closer look at JP Morgan Chase, also known as ticker symbol JPM, and see if it's a good fit for your portfolio. Hey, welcome to Investing with Rod, everyone. On this channel, we talk about stocks, we talk about crypto, we talk about exchange traded funds, but more importantly, we show you how to invest on a budget. You only have $5 or $10 to invest. Well, you're in the right place because your boy is going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, before I get into the video, do me a favor if you haven't already done so. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. Make sure you select all so you don't miss out on future videos and or live streams. Also, make sure you hit that thumbs up, that like button. It helps the video get pushed out to people that may be looking for information like this. And with all that being said, you know what time it is. Let's get paid, baby. Let's get down to business. Now, I am going to be using my Robinhood account to take a closer look at JPM to see how it's been performing. And as we can see today, JPM is currently trading at $270.40. The market is closed as of this recording, and it is down 0.021% today. Now, one thing I will not do is I am not going to be looking at the dollar value that is up or down. I'm going to be looking at percentages because on this channel, we talk about investing on a budget. And basically what we're doing is we're buying fractional shares. So what I mean by fractional shares is I don't have to worry about having $207.40 and buy a full share. I can take $5, $10, $20, whatever I have and be able to buy a fraction of a share. Think of a whole pie. Is $207.40, but you only have $5. So we're going to get us a $5 slice of pie, baby. Hopefully that makes sense to everyone. Now, moving right along, in the last week, JP Morgan is down 0.16%. I'm loving this because I want to see it red in the last day. I want to see it red in the last week because that means the price is down. And on this channel, we constantly talk about buying low and selling high. In the last month, we should see a shift. There we go, baby. JP Morgan Chase, also known ticker symbol JPM, is up 7.13% in the last 3 months. It is up 5.82%. And year to date, from January to July 11th, which is the day I'm recording this video, it is up 22.66%. Now I see why it is in all these ETFs because JPM is a winner. And over here, I don't like talking about losers. We only talk about winners, baby. We trying to stack our pockets. We want to get to the bag. And in the last year, JPM is up 41.73%. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit. Now, I currently have some JPM stock. My market value is $213.49. And today it was down 0.19%. My total return is $47.88. Now, I will look at the dollars when it comes to this, which is 28.91%, meaning, yes, my market value is $213, but in all actuality, I only invested roughly $170 because I made $47 just by letting it ride. And I currently have 1.02934 of a 349 of a share, a little over one share. So hey, I can say I finally, with consistency, perseverance, and persistence, I finally have one full share. My average cost was $160.89. And I am expecting a dividend on the 31st of this month from JP Morgan Chase in the amount of $1.18. And that transaction is pending. All right, let's get to the good stuff, baby. We are going to slide over here. Now, the market is closed, but what I'm going to do something different. I don't think I've ever done this on this channel, is I'm going to queue up an order to purchase a fractional share tomorrow morning when the stock market opens 8 p.m. Central Standard Time, which is where I'm located. And depending on your time zone, it will queue up first thing tomorrow morning. So it's going to automatically default to buy. I have a buy order. I'm buying in dollars. I'm not buying in shares. Why? Because I'm buying a fractional share. I have a whopping $25.64 buying power available. I'm going to go to amount. I'm going to invest a cool $5. I ain't trying to break the bank, baby. I just want to get in the game. I'm going to click anywhere on here. It's telling me right here, I'm going to get 0.02411 of a share. I'm going to review the order. Right here, it is saying I can trade JPM and hold shares on the 24-hour market. I don't have $207. I only have $25. Or I can go ahead and place JPM, an order for JPM right now and trade hold shares, or I can queue up my fractional order for the start of regular business hours, 8:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. So I'm going to go down here and queue up the fractional order. Right there, it's breaking it down. Let me know I'm going to get that 0.02411. Go ahead and click buy, and it's just like it's the regular day. Here it is. Click done. The only difference is I won't see this 1.02 move until tomorrow morning. But if this was during market hours, I would be able to see that. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Just that easy. Your boy is continuing his ownership in JP Morgan Chase. And that's how you have to think of it. I don't care if you got 0.02 of a share. You are an owner of a company when you purchase stock, and you're going to receive dividends as if you are an owner. Keep that in mind. There's nothing small with this. We're just trying to get in the game, because if we make the right investments, the game is going to take care of itself. Hey, do me a favor. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button, baby. Make sure you select all on that notification bell after you tap, press, click it, whatever you got to do to it. Hit that thumbs up. It helps the channel out a lot. And with all that being said, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I can guarantee you. I will be coming at you soon, dropping more heat, dropping more fire, dropping more knowledge, but more importantly, showing you how to invest on a budget. Hope you have a great evening. Hope you have a great day. And I will be coming at you soon. Much love, y'all. Peace.